Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn how you can create and customize invoice easily using the Intuit QuickBooks. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for QuickBooks. That's right, and then you will be directed to their website. So right here, let us talk about the pricing first. So for small business, so we have these pricing. Okay, so we have the simple start, essentials plus, and the advanced. Okay, and then for the accountants and bookkeepers, so of course we have here the simple start, essentials plus, and the advanced. But yeah, it costs more. So after that, you just have to choose your plan, and then you can now sign into QuickBooks online. Okay, so since we already have our account right here, so let's go ahead and proceed to our dashboard. So as you can see right here, you'll be able to see these widgets. So we have the profit and loss, our expenses, the bank accounts, the cash flow, and etc. So here we have the create invoice. So all we have to do is to tap on this one. And then after that, right here, you just have to select your customer. So if you don't have no customer yet, you just have to add a new one. So you just have to add here the title of the customer, okay, and then the first name of your customer. Okay, for example, and the middle name, and then our last name. Okay, so that we have here now the customer display name, and then the company name of the customer. So for example, freelance, and then the email of our customer. Okay. Okay, so you just have to tap on right here the email and the phone number, and then the mobile number, the other, and then if they have websites, of course, you're just going to add it right here. And then for the addresses for the billing address, so just have to add it right here as well. And for the notes and attachments, so just input right here the notes, and then upload here the attachment. And for the payments, so you just have to select the payments. I'm just going to select direct debit, and then the terms for this one, and then the sales from delivery options, and then your language. And then for the additional info, we have the taxes, the opening balance. Okay, after adding all of this important information, so just have to save this option. Okay, so let me just fix this one. Okay, so after that, you just have to close it, and you'll be able to see the name of your customer. Okay, so for the billing address, so only have that right here. So it is very important to input the details of your new customer correctly, so you don't need to manually put everything right here. Then after that, here for the service date, so you just have to select the service date right here, for example this one. And then for the product service, I'm just going to select services, and then you just have to add here the description, the quantity, and then the rate for this service. For example, 500. Okay, so you'll be able to see here now the total balance. And then here you can add your message on invoice, then the message on the statement. And if you have attachment, we have maximum size, which is 20 MB. You just have to add it right here. So after that, you just have to save it, or save and send this invoice. Once you have finalized this invoice, you'll be able to see this preview. So after that, you can print this one as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.